Thank you for watching episode 6 of Junk Jedis. In today's episode, we visit Bobby's Hawaiian in Everett, Washington.
So here's our dilemma. Hi, Ro.
Aloha. Hello.
So unfortunately, this is the situation between garbage pickups, not for what, 2 or 3 weeks?
Yeah, 2 or 3 weeks.
So this is not a unique situation, uncommon.
And illegal dumping.
And illegal dumping.
Yeah, illegal dumping.
So, and in the end, who does this hurt? Who does it hurts the businesses nearby.
Definitely.
It hurts the community nearby.
Yeah.
Sad to see.
It just makes it makes the environment look dirty. You know,
Right.
and you don't want that to be associated with you.
Where the trees are plenty. Most of these other brothers fake and they filled with envy. They all wannabes, and me, I don't roll like that. I don't need no bling bling or the 4-5 strap. All I needed was my respect.
Looking pretty
when I'm
again.
up in the city, hit them with rules to the game, and they treat me like Diddy. Who are next? Tribal order taking you higher. J-Mo and almost.
Welcome to Bobby's.
You should live your life and I'ma live mine. I'm rolling with the tribe, but Lord, I got me so high, so divine. Why should I live my life according to you? When you have no say in which tribe the Lord will do. Time enough, give
On our
me.
way to the dump. Unexpectedly, we had a lot of extra garbage at a place that we are managing the property, helping to manage.
Managing the appearance of it, make it look good, so that you want to eat at a good place. Hopefully, the place outside looks good.
Yep.
Use this for your business. Hire people like us.
Yeah. So we'll see. But it's a pretty full load back there.
We're about 3/4 of a
We're on
load.
our way to the dump once again. 3/4 full is what John's saying. It feels pretty close to full to me, so we'll see. Wet, food particles, restaurant refuse, random really soggy mattress, times 2. Heavy. And just bag after bag of very soaking wet stuff. Yeah,
Food waste.
dense food stuff. So we're gonna take a guess when we get closer to the dump what we think. But it's not gonna be free. It's not gonna be cheap. And it's 4 to 1.
Cause you already know you gotta rope. Let's go. 5 in the morning, and it feels so right. Rolling deep with the tribe. You gon' see how we live our life. 'Cause my life,
We got 3/4 of a load to a full load back here. It's nasty trash and food particles and stuff. So we're gonna take our guess because we're waiting in line and might as well get something done while we're doing it. So I'm taking my number here. 1, 2, 3. 120. Holy wow. That was way high. 49? All right, there you have it. It's on tape, so it can't take it back. Let's see this close. So, take a look at the damage there, sir. So, I guess, what did you say?
Somewhere close to 0.
Somewhere in the low 50s or something? I guess 120. Oh, so let's take a look. 114.
Not good at this, I guess.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's 5 to 1.
This is the stuff we use to take our videos, as well as our iPhones. I found 4 of these laundry carts in the back. I'm gonna sell them, you'll see in a future episode. Thank you for watching episode 6 of Junk Jedis, Bobby's Hawaiian. Ro, you are an awesome host. We appreciated the day at your restaurant. Thanks for caring about the appearance of your restaurant both inside and out. Very clean and tasty food. Thank you so much. Special thanks to Tribal Order. That was my life you just finished hearing. Thank you to our subscribers. Think about smashing that like button.